The press conference that the DA gave didn't make a whole lot of sense to me until I put it into this context.
There were some considerations that we considered important. The fourth thing we noted is that Mr. Brooks was never informed that he was under arrest for driving under the influence.
I think you've had too much to drink to be driving. So put your hands behind your back for me. Here, put your hands behind your back.
Mr. Brooks was never notified that he was under arrest for DUI. Why is that so important?
And this is a requirement of the Atlanta Police Department. When one is charged with DUI, the Atlanta Police Department's own procedures require that that person is informed immediately that they are under arrest.
So far, the focus has been solely on the taser and whether taser constitute deadly force, and I did a video before already that's a conditional response. I believe from that standpoint, the shooting is justified. But I don't think that's the direction the state's trying to go here. I think the district attorney is trying to focus on the fact that no arrest was made. So the officer was not using law enforcement powers. The officer says, turn around, put your hands behind your back. He then reaches out and grabs the arm of Mr. Brooks. That's a crime of battery. If that's how you're looking at this, and that's a crime of battery, at that point in time, Mr. Brooks is fleeing from a batterer. He's fleeing from attack. And while he's defending himself, trying to escape the attack, he's able to disarm one of his assailants, taser, and flee. His assailant gives chase. Mr. Brooks turns to defend himself, and the assailant shoots. If you take the uniform off and the arrest is not lawful, the state's case gets a lot stronger. Under Georgia law, is a police officer required to communicate the arrest to the person he's arresting? And is that communication, is it required in some specific words, or is the reasonable inferences associated with turn around, put your hands behind your back, is that enough? Police procedures need to change.
Right,
as always, look forward to interacting with you down below. Hit that like button and subscribe.
Blah, 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 blah. Stop. Very good.
Thanks for watching.
I just had a few drinks, that's it.
How many?
1.5. Like I said, I was into the second cup. I wasn't even, I told her, babe, let's go. Because I'm hungry.
What kind of drinks did you have?
I'm not sure. It's something she ordered.